Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Sukhi's chicken biryani. We've got everything that we need here. We've got our Sukhi's biryani, some scissors to open up our pouches. You're going to need a spoon or fork to stir it, and then also some paper towels to cover it with. We're going to be putting this in the microwave to cook, so what you're going to want to do is take off the sleeve, and then this is a microwave safe bowl. So you're going to take out your packet of entree and your packet of rice. We're going to just cut it open and put that in the bottom of our tray. Now this is a little chunky, so I'm gonna take my spoon and just kind of get those chunks out of there. And then after this, we are gonna open up our package of entree and put that right over the top. Give that a little shake so that everything settles in. And then you're gonna cover it with your paper towel. I like to get it long enough that I can kind of tuck these ends under, and we're gonna pop this in the microwave like this for 3 minutes. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it's been 3 minutes. Now we're gonna take our cover off and we're gonna stir this up really well. All right, we've got that all stirred up. We're gonna recover this and put it back in the microwave for 1 minute. All right guys, it's been the additional minute, so we're gonna take off our cover and see what we've got. I'm gonna give this a good stir, and it is all done. Now, if you guys wanna know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would buy it again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.